Hello everyone, my name is Vibhor and I study at College of Business Studies, Delhi University. This presentation aims to explain how IBM stock price is going to outperform by using Holdren's tool. IBM is a multinational American IT consultancy firm which is headed by CEO Ms. Ginni Rometty. IBM's business operations are present across the world with 67% business of technology and software. IBM has the highest market cap of $137.23 billion USD, double than its global rival Accenture. When we see the stock performance of IBM with respect to the market indexes, we see that there has been a consistent performance of IBM stocks with the market, but lately there has been a steep decline in the price, mainly due to exposure by strong US dollar exchange rate and the impact of selling of businesses like a low-end server unit to Lenovo last year. Looking at the relative wealth chart, IBM has been able to produce CFROI levels consistently above the cost of capital. However, in the last 3 years, CFROI levels have seen a decline. Huge investments in R&D and management's inability to reinvest in the business efficiently from the start has been a continuous tension for the company. The stock performance has also been low for 3 years as explained previously. By analyzing the underlying drivers of CFROI, we can observe some very interesting indications. IBM's sale growth has been very irregular and there has been a decline in the last 3 years due to increased penetration in the market by Accenture and Microsoft. However, margins have increased substantially to compensate for the low sales. Asset turnover ratio has also been consistent. A shift to the higher margin business and enterprise productivity derived from global integration and process efficiencies has worked very well for IBM. If we now look at the whole picture, there has been 2 upside and 2 downside factors. By comparing IBM with its peers by looking at the value cost ratio versus CFROI graph, we see that IBM is fairly undervalued. Company's fair grip in the industry and its solid management's future strategic plans make the current price of IBM a very attractive option. Cloud computing, an integral part of CEO Ginni Rometty's plan for revitalizing IBM, represented one of the few bright spots in the company's quarterly financial report. This indication gives us a strong insight that CFROI levels of the company would not be declining very drastically and may improve at best. This results in a warranted price of $203.47, which is 47% upside from the current price. In conclusion, a combination of base revenue growth, a shift to faster growing businesses and strategic acquisitions make IBM an attractive choice of investment, and a buy recommendation can be given as the stock will outperform the market in the future.